Hi everyone and welcome to another Altimeter video. Today I'd like to speak about the AltiMulti altimeter, which is a multi-purpose altimeter that can be programmed using your phone, that record flights, etc. So if you remember that guy, my first Alti-Uno altimeter, Alti-Duo altimeter, you do have a serial port here. In that serial port, you can actually plug a Bluetooth module, or you could plug a USB cable, which is actually useful to flash the altimeter firmware. Now, from that altimeter, what I wanted to do is to actually record a flight. In order to do so, I created another altimeter called AltiMulti, which is slightly bigger, which has an EEPROM as well as an additional output, for an additional power output. So that altimeter also has a serial port where you can actually have either a telemetry module or a Bluetooth module or cable, to actually flash the firmware. Then I thought, well, I might do it smaller, with actually more computing power. So I first did another version which was slightly smaller, which has the same chip and that accepts a smaller cable. It's actually compatible with the drones, with projects such as the ArduPilot. It's got an 80 mega 326, and then what I did, because I wanted more power, I built another one with an STM32. So that one has a lot of power. It's also using an EEPROM, and it's got two serial ports. Because actually that one can also be used with a different firmware to plug a GPS and do GPS tracking. It also has 4 outputs. And then the last one I did was an ESP32 based altimeter, which has 3 power outputs. It's got an EEPROM, and it's got one serial port which can be used to plug telemetry module or to flash the firmware. That one doesn't need to have any Bluetooth module because it's got Bluetooth already integrated here. So those are the different altimeters, AltiMulti altimeters. They can record your flight, and actually they can be managed with a phone, an Android phone or a tablet. More on that in a later video. Thanks for watching, hope that has been useful, and I'll see you in the next one.